crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and we are on day 2 of Jenny's countdown to Christmas 2025. So, how awesome is that? So, we started off yesterday, I think, with a pretty cool uh, winter whimsy type panel. Pretty exciting. Today, the package got a little bit smaller. So, this is day 2. So let's take a quick look at what day 2 is. I appreciate if you're following along, watching my unboxings every day and that. Thank you. If you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. Do those things the YouTube algorithm likes as to help grow our channels and keep us doing these type of things. But again, thanks for being here. Thanks for being part of my activities. So day 2 is, oh my goodness. So it is what they call a peppermint. All right, it's clear packaging, so it's going to make it a little hard for me to read. So let's go through here and look. It is called the Peppermint Clara 28 Rotary Cutter. And so it looks like it's actually covered in plastic. Yeah, it's got plastic on here to protect us in that. It is pretty cool rotary cutter, and I was gifted and very fortunate to receive a scissored cutlery set from Missouri Star not too long ago. Which thank you. I am not an endorser of Missouri Star. I'm not an affiliate in that. I am just simply a customer, just like you all. But I'm pretty excited about this. I don't have a small rotary cutter like this, right? I use the 45 or 60, which is pretty standard for most of us quilters. I have not had a small one like that. I do, with my setup right here, have this small mat in that where I can do more detailed cutting in that when I am doing my lives. It may be nice to actually have a smaller rotary cutter. So is this something I would have purchased? Absolutely not. Is it something that I might use and find out that I become pretty passionate about and love? Very well could be. So that's one of the things I do enjoy about the boxes is there ends up being things in there that I may have never bought, never had thought of, but yet because they gifted it to me, I end up really liking it. So it did come in a cute stocking, so even better. So overall, very happy. So day 2, great. So 2 for 2 so far. So thank you, Jenny. Thank you for the team at Missouri Star Quilt. And thank you all for dropping in just to spend a few minutes with me, listening to me rattle on about day 2. Cannot wait for day 3. Guys, this month is going fast. And before we know it, Christmas will be here. So get ready. So thanks for dropping in. And as always, guys, until next time, happy crafting.